Well, hey guys, it's Princess Ravenwood again from last night. But I'm still trying to get everything together. This is my dog Chloe. I'm gonna take you to the vet to get your nails and toothbrush. Yeah, we can. But she's gonna get me now. She's really cranky. I woke up here. Right back. She's just really tired, apparently. Excuse me. Okay. But I'm gonna start doing videos every Thursday. Thursdays and Mondays and Thursdays. Yeah. Mondays and Thursdays I'll be doing videos. And you can just ask me anything and I'll tell you. I'll give shout outs, all these other weird crap things that I do. I'll put my Facebook in the description and my Skype or whatever. Just ask me what you want me to do and I will do it for y'all. Nothing provided though. No. But chug a monster. What kind of monster I'm gonna chug? All these other weird things. Well, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing those things and stuff Thursday. Merry Christmas Eve, I guess. I will be making a Christmas video tomorrow, just because of Christmas and all this other weird crap that I do. My hair is very bad. I can't take a shower, and my hair is just like, I'm gonna be messy. My hair's very colored and stuff. But I gotta sit up. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. But yeah, I'll be doing a lot more videos more often than normal, I guess you want to say that. I rarely make videos, like, ever in my life. I don't really make videos, like, every day of my life. But I'm gonna start making videos more often. Like, Mondays and Thursdays, I'll make videos and stuffs. And yeah, no makeup right now, but I usually have like really strong makeup like last night. I'm just moving all everywhere today, aren't I? But yeah. I'm sorry. I'm very random, like, all the time and stuff. I'm sorry. I'm random. That's how I am. So that's me. Well, I'll make videos Mondays, Thursdays, maybe Saturdays. I don't know. But my name's Angelique. Just call me Angie or Angel and stuff. I'll do weird things. Want me to do something, I'll do it. Nothing fucking perverted, like that hard shit people keep asking me to do. Like I'll chug a monster, like if I'm gonna chug a monster, I will right now. Weirdest shit I'll probably do, but it's like my last monster, so I can't really do that. I would, but then like, I'll do that with me and my boyfriend. We will both chug a monster together. That shit's gonna be interesting. But I'm scared. Yeah, I'm not gonna be very interesting. I'm not a very interesting person. But well. Well, Princess Ravenwood signing off for the day. Bye!